It's done. Oh, that came off easier than I thought. I put a little glue down on this time. There. Not bad, huh? You see, I did try printing a bigger one, but it kind of yeeted off the bed, and I don't have enough filament to do another big one. So we did a small one. The reason this yeeted off the bed was I ran TPU settings, and the bed temperature is 35 for this at TPU settings, and that is not enough heat on the A1. So I bumped the temperature up to 55 when I did this one, and it printed beautifully. Notice something. So this one here is just a reduced version of this one, and the wall is much thinner than the tennis ball. Tennis ball bounces really good because the wall's thick enough. This one with a thin wall, it's collapsing too much when you bounce it, so it doesn't have the same bounce that the tennis ball has. You print something to put around the top here, make a pretty cool fruit bowl. Filament is Dud V2 PLA-B splat, and you can get more information at dudv2.com.
So I picked up the NBA basketball airless ball V2 from makerworld.com. So if you get ambitious and you want to check this thing out, that's where the file's located.